Overtime.
Just one to win it. Can we find it? OT underway with that drop of the puck. Through center to Grabowski. 2-on-2 the other way. To O'Sullivan.
That was natural last time. This won't be
That's a major
natural.
league collision right there. What a shot. Under 3 minutes remaining, the overtime period. And with a score tied here in overtime, we're looking for just one. Caberlet.
Stop swerving around. They're gonna catch you.
No more puck on that stick.
That's
Nice
right.
move. Up we got to Hemsky.
Hey, you got a goal, right?
First thing in the net.
Woo!
To Speed. Back and forth on that.
Oh! Parsons cutting out of the line. Far side. There it is. Fuck.
And there it was.
Motherfucker. Oh, down low. Give it to Parsons. Fuck. There it is. I'll bring this shit. Fuck. This isn't gonna happen again. Down low. No, fuck. I passed it right around the net. You. Kessel!
Oh.
Fuck! I thought he put that in. Fuck! Oh, I see the overtime gods are not on my fucking side. God damn it. Oh yeah, look, down in the late stages again. You're gonna fuck you. I hit you. You're gonna come up a fucking low, high left. Hit the far side. Kessel! Oh, he's fuck!
What is
Oh, fucking Jesus! Oh,
What
I
a
fucking
save.
tipped that,
What a
man!
save.
I fucking tipped it!
32 seconds.
Jesus.
And the shootout.
That's bullshit. I deserve this. That's bullshit.
Edmonton wins the draw. Predicted that.
Defensively on that faceoff, that prevents control of the puck in that offensive end. Up the middle, from center to Caberlet. Glove save.
Fucking no rebound, man.
Oh.
Shooter had a chance at stick of Davey before he could get that shot off.
Horka! Breakaway! Shot! Stop. No, oh fuck, that was a bad play. Oh fuck.
That time just reached out, poked it.
Oh, that's a hook. What the fuck, man? Oh.
And that puck ends up wide of the net. Not a bad chance.
Shootout.
Unbelievable.
We
Shootout.
gotta go to the shootout, everybody. We still got a
This
tie.
shit ain't going nowhere.
Stick the hair in your face. Maybe you'll see the net.
That shit ain't going nowhere after this one. You can't get any better than what's already done.
You're shooting first. Let's see this. I'm gonna win, by the way, cameraman.
Go here in the first round of the shootout. Oh, he likes that one back again. I think
I want to get stuck into it. You can't beat me in regulation, man. I just can't get that.
Because we're an evenly matched.
12 on the road.
Hemsky's ready to go.
Go.
Oh, he used the leg on that one. That one bounced off the
Nice fucking spin.
Toronto's winning with one of their best shootouts.
Oh, fuck his glove. Went right in the fucking glove, didn't it? Can't believe you, like, flipped that, eh? It's better when it's flipped.
The Oilers' opportunity is a chance to go up one. Nobody's found the back of the net.
Oh.
Goal! Dangles. Top shelf. 1-0. You don't score, I win.
Tremendous shot. He got all of it. And he buried where he wanted it to go. Hardly even see it. I mean, can you say it?
That's okay.